common mistakes to avoid when learning coding. Number 1. Skipping basics. Don't rush through the basics. A solid understanding of fundamental concepts like variables, data types, loops, and conditionals is crucial. Skipping these can lead to confusion later on. Are you clear? Please take a note somewhere if you can't remember this tip. Number 2. Lack of practice. Coding is a skill that improves with practice. Reading and understanding code is essential, but hands-on experience is equally important. Code regularly to reinforce what you've learned. Moving forward, will you practice the new concepts that you will learn? Let's know your thoughts in comment section. Number 3. Copying and pasting without understanding. Coding is a skill that improves with practice. Reading and understanding code is essential, but hands-on experience is equally important. Code regularly to reinforce what you've learned. You can take this as a pro tip. Next time when you see any code sample, don't just copy and paste it. Instead, learn the concept and implement by following your own logic. You can thank us by subscribing to our channel. Jokes aside, let's move on to next mistake that freshers generally make. Number 4. Not solving problems. Coding is about problem solving. Don't just focus on syntax. Practice solving problems. Use platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, or Project Euler to enhance your problem-solving skills. Having said that, the next time when you learn new coding skills, try to find a problem which you can solve by using your new skill. Number 5. Ignoring documentation. Learning to read and understand documentation is a crucial skill. Don't ignore it. Instead, use it as a resource to deepen your understanding of libraries, frameworks, and languages. Did you get this point? Documentation is your source of truth for any programming language you will learn. Without a proper documentation, you will feel like a warrior in the battlefield without a weapon. Number 6. Not asking for help. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you're stuck. Programming communities are often supportive, and asking questions can accelerate your learning. Just be sure to do your due diligence and research before seeking help. Did you hear that? You are not alone in the world of coding. There are a lot of skilled folks out there for your help. Do reach out to them for help and feel yourself empowered. Moving on to the next mistake in the list. Number 7. Fear of failure. Programming involves making mistakes. Don't be afraid to fail or make errors in your code. Learn from them and use them as opportunities for growth. Be bold with your learning efforts. You will find your way through it. Number 8. Not planning your code. Before diving into coding, take some time to plan your approach. Understand the problem, break it down into smaller parts, and plan how you'll tackle each component. This can save a lot of time and frustration. Did you take note? Planning is really important for a successful journey in the programming world. In the initial days of our journey, we too lacked in planning, and we faced the consequences. But as they say, everyone learns its lesson. We learned from our mistake and opted for a better planning approach. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for such valuable insights. Let's see what we have next in the list. Number 9. Overlooking debugging skills. Learning to debug effectively is as important as writing code. Learn to use debugging tools, print statements, and other techniques to identify and fix issues in your code. Debugging is your tool as programmer to trace bugs and resolve them. In the world of code, debugging is the hero, and we are sure you would love to be on the side of a hero. The next one is the list we have is number 10. Not keeping up with industry trends. The tech industry evolves rapidly. Stay updated on new technologies, languages, and best practices. This ensures that your skills remain relevant and you can adapt to changes in the field. Remember that learning to code is a journey, and everyone progresses at their own pace. Patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn from mistakes are key to becoming a proficient programmer. Happy programming! Thank you very much for your time today. We hope you get some insights from this video and it helps you to avoid making some common mistakes as freshers. Do share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any other topic that you want us to cover, then feel free to reach out.